Hi guys! In today's video I'm showing you how to switch accounts in Monopoly. The process is quite simple and easy. First, let me show you my current account in Monopoly by tapping on these three lines which are on the top right. Currently I am using this account in my Monopoly, and I'll switch it to my other Facebook account. So for this, tap on the last option settings and tap on the option manage account, and from here disconnect this account with your Facebook by tapping on this disconnect and tap on the option disconnect. Now my Facebook account has been disconnected with Monopoly. Now close the application, open your Facebook app, and Facebook sign in with your second account, which you want to connect with your Monopoly. This was my first account in Monopoly, and I want to switch this with my another Facebook account, so I am switching it with my second account. I switched my account with my second account. Let me show you by tapping on these three lines. And here you can see this is my second Facebook account. Now go back to Monopoly. From here, tap on the option Play with Friends and tap on the option Confirm. And you can see from here it's asking Continue as Muhammad. Now my account has been switched, and let me show you by tapping on these three lines which are on the top right. And here you can see my name. So it was basic way by which you can switch account in Monopoly Go.